One of the nicest part of the day is actually just driving to the ramp, spending that time together on the way to wherever you're going. The fishing is just an excuse to get together. The earliest memory I have of being out fishing was actually with my late grandfather and my dad. We'd walk down from the house and curl up in the rocks and fish for trout.
I told his mother that I wanted to take my son fishing because my great-grandfather would take me fishing. In fact, it was a part of our life.
He outfished me at a young age, of course, and I know that because I counted. I kept score. Over the years, it just morphed into bigger days and different places, and it just kind of kept on blossoming.
I'm very proud of him being able to be a professional, and he is truly a professional at it, and I just beam all over. I mean, no doubt.
Today, maybe it's not, he's teaching me tons about fishing at this point because I've been doing it professionally for a while now, but we still spend our time in the boat, talking about life, and of course him sharing those years of experience. Fishing may be the one place, at certain points in life that a kid and a parent can get along. And what a cool place to do it.
The memories have been good memories, wonderful memories.